Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So today I will be showing you a new update that I made for Headless Browser API. So this is an API which works with Crawlomatic, with Echo, RSS feed, post generator, and with Newsomatic and many other plugins that I created. And this API will be able to scrape JavaScript generated dynamic content from websites. So this content might be a bit of elusive when it is scraped using regular scrapers, but if the scraping plugins are combined with Headless Browser API, this API will be able to scrape content from any site using its innovative headless browsers. Okay, so let me show you the latest update for this API. So many of you guys asked for a way to reset the API keys that this website generates. So this is now possible and implemented. So if you go to the API keys website of the Headless Browser API website of the API keys page and click on display API key, you will get your API key here. And until now, this was everything that was possible on this page. However, I added the reset API key button, which once pushed, then you will get a new API key. And you will be able to use this feature every 10 seconds. So every 10 seconds, you will be able to reset your API key if you want. So let's check and let's reset the API key. Sorry, once again. So now I will have to use this API key. So if I refresh the page and I click show API key, the new API key will be displayed. So yeah, this is the way to reset API keys now on HeadlessBrowserAPI.com. And yeah, this is a feature, as I said, that many of you guys asked for, so here it is. I implemented it for you. If you have more suggestions or any other feature that you have in mind or plugin idea, let me know in the comments of this video and I will be glad to implement it if I find it interesting. So yeah, this is all for today. I will go ahead and reset this API key right now. Until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.